Alright, hello everybody. After this morning's excitement and everything's been fixed now, I decided to go ahead and do the one scratch off ticket that I had left from last week. It's a $20 ticket, the 100 million cash extravaganza. It is ticket number 19. The odds are 3 out of 1 out of 3.12. We'll save the bonus area for last. And let me zoom in on these special characters. Reveal a star, win the prize automatically, get to 10x 10 times, 20x 20 times, and reveal the gold bar and you get all 20 prizes. So let's keep it like this for right now so I can show you what the numbers are. Yes, I noticed there's a glare. Let me see. Okay, 23, 13, 11, 25, 21, 18, 31, and 14. Alright, let's get to scratching. See what we can get here. And number 2. My number, and nothing helps. Number 8. Nope. 17. 1 off the 18. 40. Do not have any 40s. 7 doesn't help. I have nothing lower than 11. Next row. Oops, sorry. Next row. 29. 3. 35. I only have 130 and it's a 31. 32, 1 off. 16. I'm sorry, next row. 34. 22, 1 off the 21, 1 off the 23. 19, 1 off the 18. 9, doesn't help. 1. Last row, 38, only have the 31, 28, do not have, 36, don't have, 12, have the 11, so it's a 1 off and 1 off of 13, 27, nope. Alright, so let's start here with the 50. If I reveal a 50 symbol, then I win the 50. Bow tie. The 100 is a ring. Okay, see if that helps. The 500 is a diamond, and the last bonus section, 1,000. is cherries. So this was a losing ticket, and as I did in my last video, I do not know if I'll be doing any more tickets this week, since I just had to have my furnace worked on this morning, which I was not happy about, but it's been taken care of. So there is heat back in the house, and I'm sure I'm going to have a huge gas bill now because it's been running. I mean, it shut off and it's turned back on again, but it's been running for a bit to get the house back up to the temperature that I keep it at, which is about 66 to 68, depending on if there's snow on the ground. I'll maybe bump it up a couple degrees just to make sure the pipes aren't going to freeze. But I want to thank the people that commented on my last video and were asking if things were okay and stuff, and I appreciate that I got new subscribers, and hopefully sometime I'll get higher than what I am, but I'm really tickled that I got over 100. So I appreciate everyone that has come by and stopped at my channel, which is Ohio Ticket Scratching with Robert Bates. So just comment, click, and hit the bell when you subscribe, and you'll see more videos. But as of this week, I'm probably not going to do any more unless Carly's package comes from the UK. Her and I are swapping tickets. It should be arriving hopefully in the next couple days, because they told her it'd take about a week to get from the UK to here. Mine has been delivered to the UK. They tried delivering, but I'm not sure why they didn't just leave it. But as soon as she gets it, then she's going to wait for me to get mine, and then we'll, I guess, do 2 separate videos of us scratching off each other's tickets. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, everyone, thanks for watching. Robbie Fowler has to make a little appearance. I don't know what I did to his nose. I must have slammed him on the ground too much. Oops, that's probably what happened. Alright, you all have a good day. Bye.